Imagine a world that goes beyond your limit. A world that connects you to any place you want, wherever you are, where you can exist anytime, beyond time. Where the limits of time and space are gone through the power of technology. Mitsubishi Electric Automation Korea is leading the way of the hyper-connected era. True smart manufacturing should go beyond automation to improve the entire manufacturing site in real time. And Mitsubishi Electric's e-Factory, created through the integration of FA and IT technology, is realizing true smart manufacturing. e-Factory is a smart factory solution based on edge computing, significantly reducing the lead time of existing production sites through pre-analysis, prevention, and blocking of defect-causing products. The next generation of manufacturing that finds the optimal method for its own zero-defect rig is realized. e-Factory provides a high-quality solution with Mitsubishi Electric's know-how accumulated over many years, and a wide range of technologies only available from the world's top FA product manufacturer. It is widely used in manufacturing industries such as automotive, semiconductor, FPD, battery, logistics, food and beverage, and more. Numerous companies around the world are realizing their corporate value through e-Factory. For true realization of smart manufacturing, real-time utilization of manufacturing site data and efficient integration with the IT system are required. This integration is possible through edge computing. The edge computing of e-Factory collects on-site data in real time for primary processing. Existing extensive data is compactly reduced and connected with the IT system at the manufacturing site. The process data is visualized and analyzed in real time. Through immediate feedback, predictive maintenance is performed in advance on problems that may occur in the future. Mitsubishi Electric's e-Factory offers productivity, quality, safety improvement, energy saving, and security. It actualizes the smart manufacturing that the industry absolutely requires. The core technology of e-Factory actualizes a manufacturing site that can efficiently control and adjust the customer order information through MES. Support flexible manufacturing through flexible production technology. And also allows mass customization, using traceability technology to keep track of manufacturing history and processes in real time to provide customer convenience, and ensures perfection of the entire process by remote monitoring. Improve safety and cost by utilizing energy management technology, which optimizes energy efficiency and predictive maintenance. Manufactured products are analyzed using real-time data analysis to maintain uniform quality. Robotics allow flexible production to fulfill the various needs of the manufacturing site. It collects, analyzes, and gives feedback on production data in real time to improve productivity. Through AI and edge computing for optimal quality control, immediate feedback on production data improves productivity and reduces the load on the system. Also, Digital Twin is a simulator that visualizes the process is implemented. Through these implemented technologies, the FAIT integrated solution realizes the entire production process from ordering, manufacturing, packaging, all the way to shipping. Realization of smart manufacturing demanded by the hyper-connected era. Mitsubishi Electric Automation Korea is making it.